Okay guys, this is a 2005 GMC with the Duramax in it. Yesterday I started it up in the morning to go to work. Temperature was about 14 degrees outside and it started to do a pretty rough idle, and then it smoothed out throughout the day, and then today when I went back to work, all of a sudden it just started running kind of like crap. I'm going to show you real quick what it's doing to me, so I'll fire it up real quick. You can see the RPM needle dropping there, dipping. If anybody has any knowledge with this or could help me out, I'd appreciate it. I'll go pop the hood real quick, see if you can get a better sound of what's going on here. Nothing's done to the truck except for an aftermarket fuel filter upgrade I did. Changed it over to a CAT 2-micron filter. I'm hoping that's not the problem. It may be the issue, but I think there's a bigger issue at hand right here. The thing is, I get it up, let's see, to about 1500, 2000 RPM. You hear that? Smoothed right out. So I can't figure out what's going on here. I'd appreciate it if anybody has any knowledge with this, and they could maybe post some tips on what I can do, or maybe what the cause is, so that I can start pinpointing on how to fix this. Thanks guys.